In just 1 second you can get your husband to be in shock. The vagina loses its fit when women become sexually active, and as the years pass, it loses much of its initial adjustment. In many cases, this can affect the relationship. A narrow vagina is very important for the woman, as far as sexual is concerned. But it is even more so for her husband. To treat this condition, there are a number of methods that can help you regain a good measure of the adjustment of the muscles of your vagina in a quick way. Here are some simple tips you can try at home. 1. Gooseberry. Cook some prickly grapes in water and save the rest in a bottle. When you take a bath every day, apply this solution over the vagina. This will quickly restore the elasticity of your vagina. 2. Oak galls. It is a Thai herb that contains lubrication and is a strong soothing. Helps narrow the walls of the vagina. 3. Curcuma comissa. This spice strengthens the walls of the uterus. This herb strengthens the walls of the vagina as well as the pelvic tissue in only 1 month. 4. Pueraria mirifica. It is also used for breast enlargement. According to some experts, using this home remedy to tighten your vagina is very helpful as it gives this one a firmer push. 5. Witch hazel. To make your vagina narrower, you must grind the dust from this herb and wash your parts with this once a week. 6. Black cohosh. This is the most used herb to tighten the vagina. It is after 50 years of age. 7. Aloe vera. It is recommended to prevent dryness and irritation of the vagina. It is also used for the quick relief of genital problems. Aloe vera strengthens the muscles of the vagina. Apply gel while you bathe and wash with water. Remember, these are tips and you should always consult your doctor before applying these home remedies. Coconut oil can make you look 10 years younger if you use it for 2 weeks this way. Coconut oil is definitely the most popular natural oil these days, and besides its multiple health benefits, it also has a wide range of uses, so it definitely deserves its fame. When it comes to health issues and food regimes, it is undoubtedly the best ingredient you can use. We give you several reasons more to simply love coconut oil. Shaving cream. Commercial shaving creams are full of harmful chemicals, while this oil soothes the skin, hydrates it, and leaves it smelling great. It is especially great for shaving the underarm areas. Varicose veins. To deal with varicose veins in a completely natural way, just massage the affected areas with coconut oil daily. Nourishes the skin. To nourish the skin, fight wrinkles, and make it soft and elastic, apply coconut oil on the skin every night before going to sleep, and leave it to act overnight. Cellulite Cream Star. This miraculous oil is also amazing in the case of cellulite. Just mix some coconut oil with honey and apply it on the affected areas at bedtime. Leave it to act until the morning. After several weeks, the cellulite will disappear completely. Softens the cuticles. Massage the nails daily to soften the dry cuticles. Hand cream. Coconut oil has potent smoothing and soothing properties, so it is excellent for your hands. Just apply it and you will immediately notice the effects. Eyelash treatment. If you often use makeup, this oil will be your favorite product. You can use it to remove the makeup, and also boost the growth of your eyelashes. Apply it on the eyelashes or scalp before going to sleep every night, and you will deal with the breakage and hair loss issues, and accelerate the hair growth. Effects of onion on it. What you did not know. The powerful effect of the onion on the limb of men and the number of benefits provided by the onion to maintain a good state of health. The onion contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, also contains potassium, silice, fiber, iron, sulfur, phosphorus, calcium, lysine, leucine, arginine, folic acid, and glutamic acid. The onion prevents thrombosis and aging of the arteries and veins, thanks to its silica content. Onion also reduces cholesterol and increases the ability of blood to dissolve internal clots, thus preventing coronary thrombosis. Onion has anti-anemic properties thanks to iron, phosphorus and vitamin E, which helps the generation of red blood cells and replenish the loss of blood of our body. The onion has expectorant action, as well as bactericide and fungicide. It is very useful in processes such as colds, bronchitis, pharyngitis, and other respiratory conditions. These benefits are only given when raw onions are consumed. The use of onion as a stimulant in intimacy is not current. In ancient Rome the onion was consumed to increase libido. When it reached the Middle Age it was banned in many religious houses because of its properties to improve life intimate of couples. The onion improves circulation in the limb area and fills you with energy. To obtain these properties, chop a medium-sized onion and add fresh honey and mix. Take 3 tablespoons of this mixture every morning and 3 in the afternoon. The onion is a very effective stimulant that constitutes a good remedy that helps to recover and stimulate the intimate desire. This is because it improves the sanguine irrigation in the member, giving a better firmness. The onion gives men strength in their limbs and helps them combat premature ejaculation naturally, so you can last longer in bed with your partner. The potassium that contains the foods, like in this case the onion, helps to increase the intimate desire, since the potassium plays a fundamental role in the hormones related to the sexuality. Simply put, the onion increases libido. The onion contains large amounts of quercetin. This substance has the particularity of favoring the blood circulation of the body, especially in the limb of men. Now I'm going to show you 2 more ways to consume onions to get good benefits in bed and in our health. Number 1. Cut into thin quarters a quarter of onion, add the juice of 2 lemons and a spoonful of olive oil, then eat it all. Number 2. Bring to boil for 5 minutes 2 chopped onions and 2 cloves of garlic in a liter of water, then remove from the casserole and let stand for 10 minutes, then strain and sweeten to your taste with honey. Take a glass in the morning and another in the afternoon. The onion also possesses many healthy virtues, combats acne, anemia, angina, asthma, cellulite, depression, slow and heavy digestions, eczema, constipation, flatulence, gastritis, gout, hemorrhoids, herpes, hypercholesterolemia, hypertension, insomnia, obesity, is antibiotic, is anti-cancer, is antioxidant, is antiseptic, and depurative. The onion practically serves everything. We can find it in any big or small market throughout the year and its price is very accessible, so there are no excuses to consume onion.